Oppo's new Reno 5 Pro and has a color-changing back panel. Teased alongside the Oppo Reno 5 and 5 Pro, the company has launched the Oppo Reno 5 Pro and in China today. It is the top-end variant of the Reno 5 series with a new 50MP Sony IMX766 primary camera, Snapdragon 865, 65W fast charging, and more. While the specifications are similar to most 2020 flagships, it is the Oppo Reno 5 Pro and Artist Limited Edition that has me especially excited for this smartphone. Oppo Reno 5 Pro and Artist Limited Edition. Remember the OnePlus 8T concept and its color-changing back? It may not become a reality on OnePlus phones just yet, but Oppo is already taking charge. The Oppo Reno 5 Pro and Artist Limited Edition launched in China has a color-changing back panel. The Chinese giant has partnered with visual artist Joshua Vides to design the comic-style back panel of the Reno 5 Pro Plus. It is a surreal 2D pattern that marks the debut of Oppo's electrochromic technology. It enables the phone body to freely change colors. As shown in the official demo video below, you simply need to double-tap the back panel of the Reno 5 Pro and to see it change colors. The device here switches between silver and blue, the same as the OnePlus 8T concept. The basics of the technology remain the same. There's a thin layer of metal oxide present in the back glass panel. It changes color based on the valent state of the metal ions inside. Talking about the specifications, Oppo Reno 5 Pro and features a 6.55-inch Full HD and OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. The panel boasts a 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution and up to 1100 nits of peak brightness. The device is powered by the Snapdragon 865, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM, 256 GB of storage, and Android 11-based ColorOS 11. There's a 4500 mAh battery with 65W Super VOOC charging onboard as well. On the camera front, you will find a single 32MP selfie camera housed in a punch hole cutout. The quad camera island on the rear is helmed by a 50MP primary sensor, Sony IMX766 with OIS support, along with a 16MP ultra-wide lens with a 119° FOV, 13MP telephoto lens with 5x hybrid zoom, and a 2MP macro camera. Price and availability. The standard edition of the Oppo Reno 5 Pro and is priced starting at 3,999 renminbi (Rs. 45,000) for the 8GB plus 128GB base variant. The Artist Limited Edition will retail at 4,499 renminbi (Rs. 50,699) in China. The pre-orders will go live on the 18th of January, with sales starting from the 22nd of January. The electrochromic technology will be popular among phone makers next year. Nubia's gaming-centric Red Magic 6 is also rumored to arrive with a similar color-shifting back panel. So you can expect a lot of smartphones to change color or become see-through to give you a peek at the internals in 2021.